Hey everybody! Today I want to introduce one of Thailand's most popular dishes called Kway Teow Gai or Thai chicken noodle soup. How about that? The ingredient is rice noodle, garlic, chicken breast, spring onion, coriander, spinach, chicken broth, soya sauce, and fish sauce. Rice water is dry, so we have to pour some hot water to make it soft. And let it soak in the hot water for a while. Chicken broth put in the pot. Let it simmer. Chicken broth already boiled, so you put some spinach. Let spinach cook, and we put some noodle already soft, which has been in the pot. The chicken soup already done, so we just put some this coriander, top of the soup, also spring onion, some soya sauce, some fish sauce, and some fried garlic. And done. Let me try the soup. It's so good. Anybody can do this at home. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.